Shaping the contours, mastering the art of English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, shaping the contours. This phrase is a bit poetic and abstract, but incredibly useful in various contexts. Stick with us as we explore its meaning, usage, and how it can enrich your English communication skills. Let's shape the contours of your English knowledge together. The phrase, shaping the contours, combines two key words, shaping and contours. Shaping refers to the act of giving form or structure to something, while contours represent the outline, boundary, or the defining lines of an object or concept. Together, the phrase metaphorically speaks to influencing or defining the essential characteristics or boundaries of something. It's about molding or altering the fundamental aspects of a concept, situation, or physical object. To grasp the essence of shaping the contours, let's look at some examples. In business, the new CEO is shaping the contours of the company's future with innovative strategies. Here, it means defining the direction or defining features of the company's strategy. In personal development, through meditation and self-reflection, he is shaping the contours of his inner self. This suggests someone is working on defining or refining their personality or beliefs. In art and design, the sculptor shapes the contours of his masterpiece, turning a block of stone into a work of art. Here, it's about the literal act of defining the physical boundaries and form of the sculpture. Understanding and using phrases like shaping the contours can add depth and nuance to your English. It allows you to convey complex ideas succinctly and artistically. This phrase can be particularly useful in academic writing, professional settings, or even in creative expressions where you want to emphasize the impact of transformation or the process of definition and refinement. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning and use of shaping the contours. We hope this video has added a new layer to your understanding of English and inspired you to think about how you can shape the contours of your own language learning journey. Remember, every phrase you learn adds depth to your communication. Keep shaping your skills, and we'll see you in the next video.